It's springtime at the old car lot. Oh, fail. That's not coming up. Well, maybe this one will. That one's blowing bubbles. Okay, well, I've been wanting to put the original wheels back onto this car for some time. These are too nice to be sitting out in the rain, and the car is not going on the road anytime soon. Who else needs air? What are we doing here?
So how you doing? I'm feeling kind of down there.
Oh, we got the first nice day of the year going here, buddy. And I'm pumping up tires and I'm getting shit running.
Yeah, what's going on? I saw your thing here. What is
Well, cars are just, well, they're just getting where the neighbors can see them, and I don't really like that. Like,
yeah.
I don't ask, you know, and nobody... So, you know, just doing shit like that today. We got well, am I filming you or are you filming me? Oh, I guess that's how it's going, eh? Okay, get in, bun. And we'll go around the block with Mini Frankers.
What do you think, Minnie Mail?
First drive of the year. Another Franker favorite. Hey, little buddy? Now we can try deciphering the cryptic Citroen heater controls. Oh, you got heat there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
French heat.
French heat is the best heat. Oh, lovely. Hold on, man. What a good girl.
She's so intensely staring, it's like she's imagining herself driving.
Yeah.
Such a nice day.
Yeah, we're probably not the only people getting their old cars out of the garage today.
Yeah, there's a few motorbikes earlier,
Yeah,
right?
even the motorcycles are out, yeah. I'm not quite that ambitious. Oh, yeah. Back in the office. After driving that truck all winter, this is
Yeah, for sure.
so smooth. So nice. Right. Lovely afternoon, Sunday afternoon. So we're changing the oil on the 37 Chev today. Just got it out for a ride, warm it up, dump the oil. Not really that exciting, but gotta be done. And quick look underneath the car. Seems to be doing pretty good. Went around the block with our buddy Gary and warmed it up. And just dumped the oil. Just having a quick look around. Oh, it's full. Okay. Good enough. Greased everything last year. Brakes still feel really good. Nothing's wet. And nothing's leaking. And yeah, everything's checking out, right? So I'd say we just let her down and put some fresh oil in and enjoy. You can see the torque tube seal is getting a little wavy there, but I'm not worried about that. For the amount that it's going to get used, more important that the brakes and stuff are good. Drove very well on our little drive.
Oh, good.
This is not right. Missing a nut here, that's no good. So, should probably fix that. We need to find a nut for that. There's no point putting the car down and then having to lay on my back. So let's fix that. Okay. Seems good enough.
How do I open the door again?
Oh, I got buttons on the outside.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Underneath the wipers.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing how fast it dried up.
Yeah.
Just mud a couple of days ago. The old high school car, eh? There's the moon.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. Be on our guard for the Sasquatches walking out.
That's right, it's the season.
And the moose.
It's the season.
Franker's enjoying the sights.
Oil change number 2 today. Well, doesn't look too bad. Got a little cleaning up under here. Got a little tidy under here. This was all very nice at one time. Oh, it's rusted.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's not getting fixed.
No.
And this one.
Yeah, big
Oh, this
blowout.
one's blown too, yeah. So they're both shot. Yeah. Okay, well, that would explain why it's so damn loud. This one's just hanging down. Because she's going in for front to back exhaust then. There's nothing we can do about it. Brakes seem good. Seems a little loose. Do that. Did you just cut the mufflers right off? see if it'll go. Seems we're gonna run afoul of the how many dead Chryslers can be in your front yard law. And I think we got like one too many, so we have to fire one up. I guess there's no limit to how many can be in the backyard though, so
Oh, that's nice.
that's good, yeah. Luckily for us. For sitting for a couple of years.
Yeah. It's coughing in the face of my car, and I don't appreciate it. You going in, Moo? Going in?
Listen to that, eh? It's not even loud.
No. Sounds quite peaceful.
Mm-hmm. Move over, please. Time for the annual ride in the 50 Plymouth, Franker. It's been stuck in its hole here for a year or two now. It's killing the grass, so... Okay. Oh, it's going, yeah. Yeah, we won't be going out on the road today, but we are moving. Now we're gonna fix this tire so that it's not flat every time I need to move the car. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.